What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. A little bit different today, but we're on the road. But look at the wild swings we're finally starting to see in the market. I think it's really quite incredible. Notice what we're seeing in here. Really a wild market, and you see the Dow doing its thing, and we've got a lot of things going on. Overall picture, and let me just get rid of this tool because I don't like it. There, we get back to the pointer, and then I can go back to work. All right, so here we've got the markets, starting to move, and we've seen some pretty precipitous drops in here, but we're starting to see some overall volatility. So that's something that's what we're looking for. This is what's going to make the markets active and let us do. So the Dow made another new record high as we continue to see what's going on here, and of course the S&P closed a little lower on the day. Made a couple of blow-offs to the downside. Gold, look at that reversal, bang. And of course, now we're hovering around the bottom. We figured we'd fail from about 1362, and that's about where it failed from. The Russell, actually popped up a little bit at the end. I'll talk about the dollar. And speaking of the dollar, look at the reversal in the dollar. It hit the lows and spiked straight up. There's a lot of things going on here that indicate that we may be very near the top of the market. Again, we're not going to tell you that it's the top. We're not going to tell you to start selling it. But as we look at the overall picture, this is a picture, I guess, is worth 1,000 words. You got the Bitcoin that is continuing to stay in a consolidation pattern, and you've got oil, which reversed today as well. So you've got a lot of things going on. Look at what happened with the euro currency. Spiked up to 125.5 or so, almost 126, and bang, down she comes. So these are the things, these are the signs that you're looking at. The overall change in volatility continues to be a big part of the story. And of course, the VIX not up very much, but up just the same, and continues that little bit of a trend, working its way higher. You've got the bonds got clocked again today. The bonds are rallied today, up almost a full point. And of course, this is coming right into our sell region. So at the end of the day, we're seeing a lot of stuff that is creating some potential activity and some things for us to go ahead and be able to take advantage of. And I think this is one of the important things that we look at. Now, if we look at some of the other products that we watch, you've got the feeder market cattle. Well, here's August 1st. Came down, but still managed to hold in that 72 level, which is crazy. You've got the fat cattle. Look what happened right at the end of the day. Boom, down it came. But we're looking for 121 anyway, so that worked out pretty good. And the feeder cattle, we're looking for 142. Almost got there. And, we'll look to see if it'll come back and fill that out. You got corn. Came down a little bit, but still really nice. And I think 355 is a pretty good level to step back in. Beans above 985, so we're okay there for now. And wheat, popped a little bit again. So again, we're starting to see some change, which means that there's some new money flowing in the markets. You see Apple got crippled, which we've been talking about all week, that we were a seller way up at the top up there. And, Amazon was managed the beast it is. So at the end of the day, we've got a market that just continues to try to work its way hard. But in the meantime, we're starting to see a big jump in volatility. Not even a hack at JP Morgan could slow this thing down today. So at the end of the day, you've got a market that is continuing to work its way. So we'll see how it trades out. And again, we'll be back on video for sure next week. I'm not sure how this worked out, but it's the best I can do under the circumstances. In the meantime, remember to check out highschoolinvesting.com and go to patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And we will see you back here on Monday, okay, after the close. And you'll get obviously the weekend stuff when I get it done. And everybody have a great day. And thanks so much for being a part of Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you later, everybody. Have a great day.